today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious homemade chicken nugget right in your kitchen. Super easy, super tasty, and absolutely delicious. So let's jump right in. Okay, so to my blender, I'll add in my chicken. I'm using chicken thighs, but you can use chicken breast. Once that goes in, we'll add in some breadcrumbs. To that, I'm adding in some cheese. You can use any cheese you want. Next, we'll add in some paprika for extra color, onion powder, garlic powder, and some salt to taste. I'm using sweet chili sauce. You can swap the sweet chili sauce with ketchup or mustard. So any of them works perfectly depending on what you have available. Now I'm going to crack in one egg, then cover it and blend everything together until it forms a smooth mixture. Once that is done, it's time to shape our nuggets. Take a small portion and shape it into that classic nugget shape. You can make them big or small based on your preference. All right. So in the meantime, I would like to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning and new subscribers. Thank you so much for your love and support. God bless you. And if you're new here, you are warmly welcome to my channel. My name is Joanna. I share quick and easy recipes that you can enjoy at home. So kindly subscribe to join this amazing family. And thank you for subscribing. We'll continue to shape my nuggets until everything is done. So once it's all set, we'll go ahead and place them into my air fryer basket. Then make sure that I don't overcrowd them so that they cook evenly. Alright, so once everything is done, we'll pop them into the air fryer and air fry them for about 12 to 15 minutes or until they are nice and golden brown. And just like that, you've made yourself a homemade chicken nuggets. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. And oh, it's so delicious. You can serve it with your favorite dip sauce and enjoy. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of my new recipes. Until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye, guys.